Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! For today's video, as you can see sa title, I am going to put on I will be doing a full face makeup using only CARELINE's products. So, CARELINE, baka naman, please. I'm sorry kung sobrang tagal kong hindi nag-upload. I mean, hindi naman sobrang tagal. Hindi umabot na, ilang weeks na ba? I don't know. Basta matagal lang akong hindi nag-upload. Kasi, okay, so these past few days, I have been keeping myself busy ngayong quarantine. Ang ginagawa ko lang is puro diamond painting. Some of you may know already na, may natapos na ako yung The Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh. Actually, nung unang tingin ko sa kanya, parang ang dali lang gawin, pero it actually took me almost a month. Kaya hindi rin ako nakapag-upload kasi busy ako gawin yun. Kaya, I'm sorry guys, I'm just giving myself time. Kaya, medyo natagalan ako. Dami mo sinasabi, may pakiba kayo. Oh my god, oo nga pala. Kung nakikita nyo yan, yung people ko na yan, I'm sorry, it's that time of the month, kaya ako na lang mag-a-adjust. And, I'm sorry kung namumula-mula pa siya. Hindi ko na naman sinasabi. Okay, so tatanggalin ko muna yung makeup ko kasi meron pa akong kilay, mascara, and lip tint. So, tatanggalin ko muna yan, guys. So, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Barefaced. So, karamihan sa mga gamit ko ngayon is galing pang ano yun? Yung bounce back sa Lazada. Bounce back sa Lazada. Galing sila doon. Kaya rin natagalan yung paggawa ko ng video na to kasi inintay ko pa silang mag-ship dito. And okay lang, medyo matagal nga lang, siguro mga 4 days sila dumating. Okay, so first, for base, I will be using CARELINE's Blur Stick for my primer. Obviously, it blurs out my pores and such, and it's matte. So, yeah. Actually, may kulang nga sa in-order ko. Hindi ako nako-order nung salamin ng CARELINE. Yun talaga yung gusto ko. Pero, ang bilis maubos ng stocks. Kaya hindi ko nakuha. I'm sad. But whatever. And then, afterwards, I will be using CARELINE's Oil Control Liquid Makeup in the shade Oriental. Actually, hindi ko alam kung bakit siya tinawag na liquid makeup. Pwede namang foundation, pero yun yung tawag sa kanya. So, hindi rin siya BB cream kasi may BB cream sila. So, iba pa siya. So, titignan natin kung maganda ang kanyang coverage. Wow, parang Target. Target starter. Ay, kakasi-OD mo yan, B. Okay, so for concealer, gagamitin ko lang yung pimple concealer nila. I don't know, kasi matagal na to sa akin. Medyo matagal na siya sa akin. So, I don't know, nawala na yung pangalan niya and all, pero I'm in the shade Almond. O, diba? Hindi nababasa. And then, after that, I will be using Oil Control Face Powder. ayan, nasa box pa siya. Binili ko yan bounce box sa Lazada. Kaya, naka-box pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. So, I'm in the shade Natural. Actually, first time ko gumamit ng face powder ng Careline. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron sa kanya. Wow, it's cute. It's very minimalistic. Okay, so I have here 4 palettes for eyes. I don't know what to use, honestly. Itong 3 palettes nila na maliit. They're so cute. And they're so cheap lang. Very pigmented din. Na-try ko na sila before. Tsaka itong Play to Slay palette. Ito medyo natural yung mga colors niya. So, I think I won't use that for now. And, ang gagamitin ko ay itong 3. Siyempre, di ko na magagamit lahat ng shades nila, pero So, ang gamit ko lang sa 3 to ay itong Color Paradise palette. Kasi, alam niyo naman, mahilig ako na gumawa ng makeup looks na very colorful. And, siya yung gamit ko na. Itong 2, hindi ko pa yata nagagamit talaga. Dreamcatcher palette. I will be using... Ang ano lang sa mga ganito is wala silang shade names. I wish they put names para cute. I will be using the shade for the transition shade. Using the Slumber Party palette. Wait. This one. And lalagay ko siya sa outer corner ng aking eyes. I will be using this dark greenish shade. I will use this dark yellowish color. For the inner part of my eyes, I will be using this shade. Ang ganda ng shade na to, mukha siyang holographic kasi pag nagre-reflect yung light sa kanya, parang nagiging green siya. Pero in person, mukha siyang gold. Parang may gold siya na may glitters na green. So, ang ganda. Underneath my eyes, I will put underneath my eyes, I will be using the transition shade that I used kanina. Gagamitin ko ang kanilang Graph Ink Liner. Actually, may bago silang design ngayon. Hindi ko nakuha ngayong bounce back sa Lazada. Hindi ko siya nakuha. Ewan ko bakit. Siguro old stock yung binigay sa akin. Pero it's fine. After that, yung lashes lang is hindi galing sa Careline kasi wala namang lashes yata. Yung Careline, I don't know. Oh shoot, may nalimutan ako. Forgot to put something in my inner corner. This white shimmer shade is from the Slumber Party palette. Lalagay ko siya sa inner corner ng aking eyes. Itong shimmer naman na to, mukha siyang pink. Diba? Pag nilagay mo nga siyang pink, I will just wait for my lashes. lashes to be tacky. I mean, yung glue, maging tacky. Okay, so ayan. Wala na sila pantay. So after that, I will be using their new Skinny Mascara. Waterproof siya. Tinry ko siya kanina. It's really good. And ayun, look how thin their applicator is. Maganda siya kapag sa bottom lashes kasi 'di ba, ang hirap gumamit ng ibang wands pag magmamaskara ka sa bottom lashes. I think this one will just easily go through it. So next, for the brows naman, perfect brow trio. Hindi siya nag-focus. In the shade 213 Graphite. Actually, dapat yung dark brown kukunin ko. Eh kasi nung binili ko to, hindi pa brown yung buhok ko, black lang talaga siya. So, kaya parang mukha siyang gray, pero black talaga yan. Gamitin ko muna yung pencil. So, yung pangalawa ko naman gagamitin is yung powder niya. Ayan, ganyan yung tsura niya. Ayan, and then last, gagamitin ko ang kanyang brow gel. Cute na applicator. So, ayan. We're done for eye makeup. And now, we're going to proceed to blush. So, gagamitin ko ang blush na nasa Play to Slay palette. This one, yung medyo dark. Ang gagamitin ko for contour is itong shade na ito. Yan ang gagamitin ko for contour. But mukha kasi siyang bronzer, so we'll try to use that. Kunwari matangos ang ilong. So, after that, I'll be highlighting my face. And alam ko nakita nyo na to nung previous video ko, but I'm gonna show her again because she deserves some recognition. Kasi sobrang ganda ng highlighter na to. It's from CARELINE. Malamang. Ganda ng highlighter na to. It's in the shade Glazed Glory. Medyo madami akong CARELINE lipsticks. So, I don't know what to choose. Pero probably, I'll choose something dark. I think I'm gonna choose Spice. This is the CARELINE Soft Suede. Oh, I was right. Suede lipstick. Okay, so of course, as always, I will be doing a montage. So, mag-aayos na ako for real this time. Kasi, hindi talaga ako nag-aayos lagi kapag tapos na yung tutorial kasi tinatamad ako. Pero, wait. Ko alam, pero parang hindi ako sanay mag-cut. Hindi kasi ako nagka-cut. Shawarma Shack. May I take your order? Shawarma Shack. Shawarma Shack. Welcome to Shawarma Shack. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and Caroline, baka naman stay tuned for my next video. And sana nagustuhan nyo, kahit I don't know, don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to comment anything. And ayun lang, ingat kayo. Bye!